So here's our two batteries. We're going to put these in. They have to go the same direction. They can go either way, but they must go the same direction. Thread back on our interface. And now let's take a closer look at our evolution. So this outer section here is PTFE, which is a high-temperature FDA-approved plastic, trademarked by DuPont as Teflon. Great, very durable, very clean material that does very well when operating at high temperatures. This serves to protect you from the inside, from the chamber, which can get quite hot with use, and it simply pulls straight off. So to remove this, you just give it a little pull. It's not threaded or anything, it just slides over and has a friction fit. And now we can take a closer look at the components of the evolution. So if we look on the inside of this insulating sleeve, down at the end of the barrel, so to speak, is a metal disc that you'll see. And this metal disc, you can see it from the top, interfaces with the upper section that engages the mouthpiece, and this directs your airflow. And this flat disc serves as a deflector, and then the air has to go around it before it can exit into the mouthpiece. And so this allows the ThermoVape Evolution to run very clean, require much less cleaning than a traditional vaporizer where you have screens or holes that directly get clogged up. And you can simply clean this by just putting a piece of tissue down the barrel and wiping it up. This can be boiled or rinsed under warm water and cleaned quite easily. And so that's the outer insulating sleeve of the ThermoVape Evolution. Now the part of the ThermoVape Evolution that generates the vapor is this unit right here. And if we take a look at this, we'll see that it is a 510 compatible, as all of our heating cores, atomizers, and revolutions are all 510 compatible, so they can go on a number of different devices. And it simply threads into our standard interface that we use with our revolution and with our Ava atomizers. You'll look down the barrel and you'll see that the chamber is just a pure cylinder. This is meant to run very efficiently, very effectively, designed for personal use. And as I activate the T1, which I do simply by very lightly just sliding the inner battery sleeve up. It's a very light, it's very delicate, it's a very light spring. It does not take a lot of force, and you don't have to push down. It's just a very gentle action that activates it. And I'll turn it on and you'll see the heating core inside begin to glow orange. And so the technology we use to generate the heat for our convection vaporizer is the same as we use in the big brother to the Evolution, the ThermoVape T1. We used a ceramic stabilized dual heating core, and that serves to heat the air, and then that hot air passes through the rest of the chamber where your Botanical is, and generates your vapor. And convection vaporizing is really the way to go. All the very expensive desktop models of vaporizers are all convection vaporizers, and there's been a lot of research done, and convection vaporizing is really the best way to generate your vapor. And so compared with a lot of our competitors' devices, they're all conduction vaporizers. This is truly a very small, very compact, yet powerful and effective convection vaporizer. So you would load your chamber here, and you have to be careful with use because this will get hot. This is why we protect it with this PTFE sleeve. You load your chamber near to or close to the top. You do not have to pack your Botanical down in there at all. It does not require any packing. Just go ahead and give it a medium grind and load it in there. And then you just go ahead and you take your sleeve, and the sleeve just pushes right over and has a nice force fit. Then you'd go ahead and you would just activate your Evolution. If it's a cold start and you haven't used it yet, go ahead and give it a 10-second warm-up. If you're in between inhalations, then 5 seconds is usually sufficient for a warm-up. You'll begin with a slow inhalation, and as you begin to taste and feel the vapor, you can go ahead and start to inhale a little more rapidly to find the sweet spot so you get the vapor production just right where you want it. Once you're done, you can simply pop this off and tap this out, blow it out, whatever you would like to do in order to clean it. This unit right here can be boiled, can be rinsed under water, can be soaked in isopropyl alcohol in order to clean it. And so very simple yet robust system which will give you very nice vapor production. The nice thing about this unit as well is it runs a little bit cooler. It's a little lower powered than the ThermoVape T1. So it is not quite as powerful as the T1, but the trade-off is you get a little bit better battery life. And so you'll experience about a 30% improvement in battery life operating at 6 volts when compared to the T1. So, most users are going to be able to get, greater than, 10 good inhalations, upwards of 15. Some get 20 or so good inhalations from the ThermoVape Evolution at 6 volts. So you have an extra set of batteries with you, so you get double that. So you should be able to get 30, 40 good inhalations just off the two pairs of batteries that come with the device. We of course sell additional batteries, and you can keep those stocked up. They're small and light, easy to carry with you, so you always have some charged batteries with you wherever you go. Like all of our products, this is completely made right here in the USA, beginning with sourcing our materials from all USA manufacturers, from the raw aluminum, brass, Delrin, PTFE that we use. We get all of these from American suppliers who make it in America. We source our wire from a U.S. company that builds this wire specifically for us. All of our ceramics are medical device grade, built specifically for our purposes. So it truly is an American product, tip to tail. We're very proud of it, and we're really excited to bring this to the market. We hope that all of you enjoy this device, and we appreciate you taking the time to go ahead and watch our video. One quick thing I wanted to mention about this is, we love modular products, so this is a completely modular product. If you get this kit, you can take the Evolution off, and this will accept our Ava atomizers for glycerol vaporization. This will accept our Revolution essential oil vaporizers. And so, once you have any of our starter kits, you can go back and forth, and this adapter can be removed, and then you can convert what was your Evolution kit into a ThermoVape T1, and this would be sold separately as a T1 conversion kit. And so you really have an incredibly versatile device that you can enjoy for your botanical vaporization, your glycerol vaporization, your essential oil vaporization, and you enjoy your Evolution on there. It's completely compatible with all of our accessories. This is our Smooth Flow, which is a moisture conditioner, and it just pops right in the top, and you can enjoy that. Another example of an accessory you could use with this would be our glass adapter, and you could use that to engage any of your glass. Now, the Evolution by itself works as a bit of a glass adapter. It will engage a 14 millimeter down stem, like so, right on the shoulder there, and you'll get quite a good seal if you've got a good piece of glass, a good lab glass down stem. And then with an 18 gauge, it's going to engage deeper down at this surface here where this necks down. And so you can directly take your Evolution to your common 14 and 18 gauge down stems. This will get you, a very secure, very tight seal because of the additional O-rings. And it's just an example of how this will work with all of our modular accessories to the entire ThermoVape family of products. So that's the ThermoVape Evolution 6-volt starter kit. And again, thank you for taking a minute and joining us for the video. And until we shoot another, cheers.